Good morning, everyone. So we'll start with global market update. US stock index futures steadied in evening deals on Thursday following a positive session on Wall Street as data showing a bigger than expected drop in jobless claims. As data showed, jobless claims dropped to 2,33,000 in the past week, more than expectations for a reading of 2,41,000. Chinese CPI inflation grew more than expected in July, coming after a series of unexpected interest rate cuts by the People's Bank. CPI grew 0.5% year on year and picked up from the 0.2% seen in the prior month. German industrial production rose by more than the forecast in June, up 1.4% month on month, while the annual rate improved to minus 4.1% year over year from minus 7.2% in May. Japan's Nikkei rose another 1.7% on Friday, tracking a strong rebound on Wall Street overnight. It has erased most of 13% cash on Monday and was set for a weekly drop of just 1.5%. Oil prices edged down in early Asian trading on Friday, but were on track to gain more than 3% for the week as US jobs data calmed down demand concerns and fears of a widening Middle East conflict. The dollar hovered close to a 1 week high against major rivals on Friday after the biggest drop in US jobless claims. We'll take a look into the Indian market. So Nifty closed 180.50 points negative in yesterday's trading sessions. So for today, we can expect us to take a support at 24,000 level, followed by 23,900 level. On the upside, we can expect it to take a resistance at previous high, which is at 24,370, followed by 24,400 level. The option chain data suggests 24,000 still to be a support. On the upside, we are expecting a resistance at 24,200, but the strongest resistance is at 24,500. Looking at Bank Nifty closed 37.70 points positive yesterday. It's pretty flat yesterday, and today we can expect a support at yesterday's low at 49,835. Followed by 49,500 level. On the upside, we can expect a resistance at 50,600, followed by 50,800 level. Bank Nifty option chain suggests 50,000 to be a strong support as of now. Currently trading near 50,100, a small resistance at 50,200, but the strongest resistance is at 50,500. Mid-cap Nifty closed 192.60 points negative yesterday, which is minus 0.34%. So for today, we can expect it to take a support at 56,318, followed by 55,700 level. On the upside, we can expect a resistance at 57,530, followed by 58,000 level. Mid-cap Nifty also closed negative yesterday. So for today, it closed at 76 points negative. For today, we can expect it to take a support at 18,244 or 200 level, followed by 18,100 level. On the upside, we can expect a resistance at 18,500, followed by 18,600 or 700 levels. Looking at the sectoral rotation, so currently, most of the sectors are beaten down now. We have been seeing profit booking in majority of the sectors, but now we are seeing that still there are some steam left at healthcare, FMCG, ratings and tradings, chemicals, logistics, agriculture, textile, retail, media and entertainment, telecom, information technology, consumer durables, and shipbuilding. And most of the other sectors we are seeing profit booking. So people who are looking for long-term investments can start accumulating. But of course, it is not for short-term because we can see some more corrections probably. But probably it will be ideal to accumulate Nifty Bs or bank Bs, like especially exchange-traded funds at this point. So that is recommended. As far as deliveries are concerned, we saw some positive delivery in ratings, ferromanganese and healthcare, and a little bit on telecom, but most of the other sectors we saw some profit booking. So not much as far as short-term opportunities are concerned. Looking at the basket recommendation, we continue to have Tata Group stocks basket recommended, expected returns 8%. Looking at the performance reviews, large cap is at minus 0.32%. Auto standing at minus 1.38%, private bank at minus 5.30%. FMCG and pharma has been doing well even in this market. So far, FMCG is at 4.01%, pharma is at 5.58% positive. Tata Group is slightly recovered, and now it is at minus 3.51%.